I am so excited to introduce you to the newest member of the Makers Clean family, the Makers Mop. This incredible mop has taken us a year to develop, and that's because we wanted to solve some of the key problems that people were having with floor care. One of the challenges we noticed is that people had a lot of different things in their mop or broom closet, so much so that there's a closet named after all of these tools. We thought we could really slim things down and get rid of that dry dust mop, get rid of that flathead microfiber mop, and get rid of that sponge or twist mop. We wanted to solve all of the problems that those individual tools can solve on their own with one tool. And that's why we came up with the uniquely shaped Makers Mop. To celebrate the launch of the Makers Mop, we've got a special introductory price up at our website, makersclean.com. You can also learn more about the mop over there. I've got a link for you down below. So, what makes this mop so unique? Let me show you. I've used a mop or two in my day, and one of my biggest pet peeves is when I lean it up against the wall and it just slides down and slams out of nowhere. That's why we've got this little rubber ring around the top of the mop called the wall stop. Essentially, all it does is creates friction so that when you lean this against the wall, it doesn't fall over. Problem solved. We also love that it has an extendable handle up to 5 feet, which is perfect to get you extended reach if you have particularly high ceilings, and it's also great for people who have limited mobility. And now I want to talk about the most unique feature, the mop head itself. It's got a really unique U shape as well as a precision edge, which allows you to do cleaning with a mop like you've never done before. The U shape allows you to get into hard to reach spots while applying a significant amount of pressure that you just can't get with a flathead mop. It allows you to get into hard to reach areas, and that precision edge gives you a powerful edge for scrubbing and scouring away tough stains and stuck on food. You've got to try it to believe it. The Swivel Lock is a really unique feature because it either allows the mop head to be locked in place for stability, or it can swivel around 306 degrees to give you a full range of motion. The mop features 2 adhesive strips on either side of the mop, allowing you to easily affix one of the mop pads to the mop head. So line it up by putting the center of the mop pad over the precision edge and then just press the sides down onto the adhesive strips and then get to mopping. The cloth catchers are another feature of the mop we're really excited about because it gives you flexibility to choose what you want to use on the head of the mop. There are applications where you might want to put a large microfiber cloth on there, cleaning spills or drying a large shower wall. So that gives you a lot of flexibility to choose how you're going to use this mop. The Makers Mop comes with 2 different microfiber mop pads. The first one is the Everyday Microfiber Mop Pad, and the second one is the Deep Clean Microfiber Mop Pad. One of my biggest frustrations with floor care tools is the amount of replacement cost that exists with them. You buy the handle or the system, and then you're constantly replacing the head or the pad or the sheet, and that adds up over time. Whereas with these, you get the pads, they are washable hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of times because this is very high quality microfiber. These will last you for such a long time. No more expensive replacement products. My spin on things as a cleaning expert is I always want to find the fastest, quickest, easiest, and most efficient way to get a job done. And at Makers Clean, that carries through. We only bring the best quality products to you. That's why I'm so excited about our new Makers Mop. To learn more about it and to get that special introductory offer price, you can visit makersclean.com, and there is a link for you down below. Now that brings me to this week's comment question, which is, how many mops and brooms and other floor cleaning tools, not including a vacuum, do you have in your cleaning closet? Let us know in the comments down below. To watch a full comprehensive review and demo of the Makers Mop, you can watch this video right over here. And we also have a Makers Clean YouTube channel full of tips, tricks, and other product details, which you can visit right over here. Thanks so much for watching, enjoy, and we'll see you next time.